This is a brief history of McWane Ductile. The year was 1921. Warren G. Harding was sworn in as the 29th president. Gasoline was 26 cents per gallon, and J.R. McWane began operation of McWane Cast Iron Pipe in Birmingham, Alabama. It was the roaring 20s, and as the country grew, so did McWane. A second facility was added in Provo, Utah in 1926. By 1937, it was producing 150 tons per day and employed roughly 400 people. It added more products: fittings, valves, hydrants. McWane expanded operations to better supply the needs of North America by purchasing Atlantic States Cast Iron Pipe, a plant that made its first water pipe in 1856. Cloud Corporation, one of the oldest and largest water products companies in the country, and Canron in Hamilton, Ontario, forming Canada Pipe. In 2015, these three divisions were rebranded and merged into McWane Ductile, creating a unified company and strengthening the Iron Strong brand. McWane Ductile now manufactures 3 through 36-inch pipe and employs more than 900 people. We remain committed to investing in the future of our business, employees, and communities by continuing to provide long-lasting, sustainable products to iron-strong cities and communities across the United States and Canada for generations to come.